Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for returning. I appreciate you all. And if it's your first time, you are warmly welcome. Family, on our menu today, we have a delicious pepper stick. Ooh, you will love this recipe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so stick and stay, go nowhere, watch till the end, and be inspired. Without further ado, family, let's get to the kitchen as I take you through the simple steps to achieve a wonderful and delicious pepper stick. There are so many recipes out there, but I hope you give this a try and thank me later. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and I'll really appreciate it. Without wasting my time, family, let's begin. First of all, I've got my seasonings ready to marinate the stick here, and they are plain or all-purpose flour, chicken and all-purpose seasoning, crushed black, red, and white peppercorns, green sauce, honey, mixture of hot dark soy sauce, normal dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Beautiful. And I've also got olive oil. I've got garlic, ginger, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, two white onions, and my stick. Family, you will love this recipe. We've got healthy and simple ingredients here, but they make the best combination. I'm going to cut them into pieces, okay? So keep watching and go nowhere. And as to the green sauce, how I got it, I combined or I blended onion, green bell pepper, thyme, rosemary, basil, shrimp powder, aniseed, garlic, ginger, black peppercorns, chicken seasoning, celery, and green scotch bonnet pepper. This is how I got the green sauce and it's amazing. So now let's keep deseeding the bell pepper and cut them into any shape and size of our choice. Okay? Family, I hope you watch till the end and be inspired. Don't forget to also share, comment, like the video, okay? And don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you join this amazing family and you not regret it. So kindly click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. And I'm so sure you will love it here. Now let's quickly mince our ginger and garlic. Now onto our onions. I'm using two white medium-sized onions. You can as well use the red or purple onions. But how many onions you use is by choice and preference. So you can use more or less onions, okay? Now let's cut them. After cutting them into four parts on each half, I will then separate the onions from each other. Like I'll just separate the layers, okay? So keep watching if you want to see how I'm going to do it. It's time to cut our sticks into pieces. So now I'm using the other side of the cutting board to cut my stick, okay? So the cutting board is cleaned nicely. The sticks are also washed and padded dry. I'm going to cut them diagonally. You can as well cut them into any shapes of your choice. You can even dice them up and you will be good. Now let's transfer them nicely on the plate and guys continue from there. This looks so beautiful, well clean and padded dry. and smells beautiful. Look at that. So nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. All cut up nicely. So we're going to transfer them again into the bowl. And guys, we add our seasonings, okay? I just prefer using a deep bowl to do the marinating, okay? You can as well use the plate or any shallow bowl to marinate your stick. I just need room for my hand to move around. That is why, okay? So it's nothing serious or a big deal. Right away, let's add crushed red, black, and white peppercorns on our stick. Add as much as you can tolerate, okay? And then let's go ahead and also add a mixture of hot dark soy sauce, normal dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. This is an amazing combination, yeah? So now let's go straight ahead and add our chicken and all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding just some of it and not all because I'll use the rest later, okay? Now let's mix them together and use just half of it, okay? You can also use any seasoning of your choice, all right? So now our next thing is to add our olive oil. You can also use sesame oil or any other oil you prefer, okay? I've added my honey, plain flour, and now my beautiful green sauce, which I have already mentioned the list of ingredients used in making it. Okay, you can also check my suya fried chicken video and you will see the whole recipe. Alright, so now let's mix everything nicely together. And I added the flour, or you can use cornstarch to make the outer layer crusty. Okay, now check it out, and everything looks so beautiful. Let's not forget our garlic and ginger. Okay, so let's add some and leave some for later. Okay, smells so good. Nothing like fresh ginger and garlic in your pepper stick. I love that. Now start to mix everything properly together. Smells so good. Wow. You can start frying them right away, or let them marinate for some time. In my case, I will let them marinate for about 1 hour because yeah, I want them to be well marinated. So after an hour, I'm back, and now let's make our celery. Into the bowl, I've added 1 cup of water. Now I'm adding my flour. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my mixture of dark soy, so the hot one, the normal one, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Okay, I'm adding cracked black, red, and white peppercorns, and now my green sauce. Okay, beautiful, nice combination. I'm going to use my whisk to mix everything beautifully together without any lumps in it. This smells so good. Beautiful slurry, beautiful. You love it. Please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment on the video, and I really appreciate it. Okay? It's now time for us to fry our steak, and this is beautiful. It's well marinated, and you can all tell. I love the seasonings. Beautiful. The stick is nice, and you all can see that. So I've added oil into my frying pan. I'm shaking the frying pan to spread the oil, and then I'll go ahead and add my pieces of steak. There we go. Smells amazing. Well marinated. The salt content is perfect. I haven't even added normal salt because the sodium we have in the dark soy sauce, oyster sauce is perfect for me. But you can still add salt if you like, okay? Now let's fry until they are golden brown or brown. And it can take about 5 to 8 minutes to achieve that, depending on how much heat you are using, okay? So make sure the heat is not too high or too low. At least it should be low to medium level or at the medium level. They are now ready, so let's transfer them onto a plate and continue with the next batch. This is so beautiful. I love the aroma, so flavorful, so juicy and melt in the mouth. Mmm, amazing. I'm so loving this. So after transferring them onto the plate, I wouldn't want to fry the next batch in the frying pan like this. So I'll scrape off all the dark parts like this so that they don't turn sour when I fry them. Okay, because they are burnt already. So into the frying pan, I'm adding my second batch, and the aroma is everywhere. You need to try this recipe, guys. You need to try this recipe. There are so many of them out there, but this one is a must try. And I'm sure you love it and thank me later. So soon we are all done with the frying of our pieces of sticks. So guys, oh, you need to be here. This is so aromatic. The umami, wow, is so present. So now from here, we're going to make our pepper stick here. In the frying pan, I'm going ahead to add some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'm using the spoon to spread the oil. Okay, and I'm adding my ginger and garlic. And I'll let them fry for about 2 minutes to release their flavors, which is very, very important. Okay, so after that, I'll go ahead and then add a little bit of my crushed red, white, and black peppercorns, just like this. And I'll stir again to mix everything together, and I'll let them also release their flavors together for about a minute, and then I'll add my chopped vegetables. They are so colorful and inviting. Again, let's give it a gentle stir, making sure the heat is not too low or else the vegetables will sweat out and we do not want that. You want our vegetables to be crunchy and fresh in our mouths. So next we're going ahead to add our seasonings, and they are the mixture of our chicken seasoning and all-purpose seasonings. Okay, sprinkle some on them, and after that give it a gentle stir like this. It's so beautiful, so aromatic and flavorful. Stir gently. After frying for about 2 minutes, I'm good. So I'll go ahead and then add my celery. Remember that? Okay. So here it is. We're going to mix it together and then pour it onto our vegetables. This is so rich and flavorful. Now stir gently and look at that. It's already thickening up. Now at this stage, if you feel you still need salt, then go ahead and add a little bit of salt to taste like I'm doing. And again, stir to mix everything nicely and beautifully together. Gradually and finally, the celery has thickened up and I love the consistency I've achieved. So now I'm going ahead to add my fried pieces of sticks. Mmm, beautiful. Oh, family, we are done. We are done. So I'm going to wait for about 2 minutes for the steak to absorb the flavors of the celery, okay? Wow, lovelies, you need to be here. I love everything about this pepper steak and I hope you've been inspired. If it's your first time stumbling on my channel, hey, you are warmly welcome and I hope you've been inspired enough to join this amazing family. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Lovelies, I hope you give this a try. For more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page, follow your girl as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And also don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. And as always, your girl appreciated. Again, remember to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. And not forgetting my followers and subscribers for always holding your girl down. I appreciate you all. God richly bless you. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be cool, take care, and enjoy. Mwah. Kiss. Toodles. Peace out.